So the recipe we want to deal with today is a fungal recipe. We want to make this more fungal than bacterial because the soils that we're going into here lack fungi. Even though they're grassland soils, we've got vegetables, row crop, our vegetable garden, even though it's a bacterial dominated soil that those plants require, that they like to grow in, what we're lacking in that soil is fungi most of the time. Where we've tilled too much, where we've put on insecticides, pesticides, we've got some of those toxic materials, not enough fungi. What's been destroyed is that fungal biomass. So even though what we're going on to is a bacterial dominated plant, what's lacking in that soil are the fungi. So we're going to put together a recipe of fungal material, fungal compost. So the first thing we're going to want to do in a fungal dominated compost, the recipe we're going to follow, is we're going to put in 45%. If we take a unit of our pile, 45% of it would be woody materials, but a mix of those woody materials. About 35% is going to be grass, green materials for the bacteria, and the rest of it's the high nitrogen. And we may repeat that, the woody, the green, the high nitrogen. We may put a second layer in here if we don't get everything right to the top of the first first batch. If we were going to go with a bacterial pile, we would just reverse the woody and the green. So we would put 45% green, 35% woody, the rest of it high nitrogen if we were going for a bacterial pile. But we're going to go for fungal today. So we're going to go ahead and start building this.